Some more clarity emerging regarding the next RBI governor after Governor Raghuram Rajan's exit. Arundhati Bhattacharya, one of the frontrunners, will no longer be in the list. A source within India's finance ministry clarified that the government policy remains of not giving any extensions. So far as the remaining names are concerned, we have Mr. Subir Gokran, who was a former deputy governor of the RBI. We have Mr. Urjit Patel, who is currently working with the RBI and is closely associated with the current monetary policy framework, and also Mr. Shakti Kanta Das, who is dealing with the RBI on a day-to-day basis. In terms of the other two names, we have Mr. Arvind Subramaniam as well as Mr. Rakesh Mohan. Now, what we've also been told by our source within the finance ministry is that the government will not have a panel to decide who the next RBI governor is, and rather it would decide on its own, thereby clarifying that there will be no monetary policy panel that will decide on who the next RBI governor is going to be. What remains to be seen is whether this new governor will work closely with the Modi government's policy of providing cheaper loans in order to get businesses to grow, or will he or she continue with the framework that was already set by Governor Rajan of ensuring that the loans are contained in such a way that inflation is controlled as well.